I'm up.
Okay. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, time starts now.
High.
Down 0.6, right 0.5.
What'd you do on those?
That might have been right under it, but I'm not 100% sure.
Might have been high. My numbers are high on that.
South right edge, trending low on top. Left 3/10 and up 2. Maybe only up 1.
Right, the hay bale's low, not the one right. Couple left, down.
Impact. All right, we're switching to 3,091 yards. We need to come up to 50 mils.
Big swing.
Back, start at 0.
That target.
1,
That target. One that hill.
2,
Above the tree line over there.
3,
That's the last target.
4, 5. I'm gonna call it 50. Transition. Bring the bipod up. We're still in the trees. Need to come up. Okay. Are we, is it the cross or the one to the right of it? Not, okay.
The one to the right.
3.5 minutes, Billy.
Yesterday it ran the same all day and I just got lazy about it today. 2 mils. And, you know, I came down after checking a little bit, 1 mil, but didn't matter, but didn't see it, so I don't know. Anyway, I feel a little better. Listen, at least it's holding it, right?
Right. Yeah.
50 mils. Does that give us a 930 wind?
No, it's not that much. It only changes it about 30. You were 11, so what were you, 11 or 11:30?
1130 on that?
So go to 11.
Gives me 9.5.
Probably true.
So we're going 9.5 left windage. So I max out at 7. So I'm gonna have to hold 2.5 mils to the left.
On rope. I don't see anything.
All right, that's where I was holding. Did you see that?
No, I missed. I didn't see it.
It's about 3 mils to the left and high.
Okay.
So I was holding high, and I was holding left.
All right, hold on to target. There it is. All right. Come right, 1 mil. Up 0.5. I don't see
Nothing?
anything. Should be right there. Might have been over.
Yep. I'll be up here hopefully next month.
I don't see anything on that one either.
Well, part of it, I guess.
Not much out there, I think.